This is to welcome you to this remarkable and valuable workshop where we hope to help everyone learn from each other about the new ways of moving forward in this rapidly changing field of development and the fundraising needed for development, and it is very difficult to keep pace with everything that's happening because things are changing on a day-to-day basis. But the group of people here, I think, will not only be hopefully receiving help from some of us from our experiences, but also learning from each other as we find new ways of dealing with similar problems, dealing with them in ways we hadn't thought of before. On April the 25th and 26th, this coming Friday and Saturday, Fundraising Beyond Borders. Come and register first and then come and learn so very much. We are waiting to hear from you, learn from you, and enjoy each other's company.